Hey guys, just wanted to take a minute and go over a few things, three things that happen when you fast that I think most people don't realize, and this is super important, mainly because I think when we think about our health during a fast, we think about things like autophagy, mitophagy, breaking down damaged cells. We think about maybe even breaking down cancerous cells. We think about burning fat, weight loss, those type of things, which by the way are all amazing and all great. But I want to go over three, and especially because some of you guys that are on this video are in day 3 of your fast, our group fast that we're doing. So I wanted to go over three different things that most people don't know are happening that radically transform your health with during fasting, especially during like block fasting. So again, a lot of people that are fasting with us are on day 3. So I want to go over 3 benefits. This way I can motivate you guys to keep going and to keep pushing through, because it is worth it. It's that worth it. All right. So number 1, right? One of the things that happens that, again, I don't think most people know about is you actually boost something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Now, you may say, what the heck is that? BDNF is absolutely amazing for growing new brain cells. So actually, again, repairing and fixing the brain. The more BDNF that's produced, again, the better repair of brain tissue. So BDNF is that important. So we want to make sure that, again, when you're fasting, you're like literally setting your brain on fire. You are improving overall brain function and brain health. And one study actually showed during a block fast, up to 400 times the amount of BDNF is produced. So if you're one of those people that's worried about Alzheimer's, or you're worried about dementia, or you're worried about, brain fog, guys, one of the best things that you can do for your brain is to fast. When you fast, you produce massive amounts of BDNF. All right. Number 2 is when you fast, you actually do something that I think is absolutely profound, is that you actually get a chance to rest and heal the gallbladder and the liver. And so one of the things that happens when you rest the gallbladder and the liver is that you get to see, when you refeed the body, you get to see better results with digesting your fat, because again, you are able to get things like, bile kind of cleared out and some of the sludge that was backed up in there. You also get a chance to increase your glutathione production, which happens in the liver. And so again, this is a big deal. The more glutathione that you produce, again, the healthier the individual, because that's going to help you with detoxification. It's going to help you fighting off viruses, bacteria, and other types of infection. So again, clearing out the gallbladder and clearing out the liver. And some of you may say, well, I don't have a gallbladder. Well, guess what? You still have the vessels that went to the gallbladder, and you still have, bile that's trickling out. So again, we still want to be able to clear that. Also, a little side note, as you help to kind of clear out the liver and you do some work, as the fast does some work on the liver, and your body's kind of healing and working through that, one of the really cool benefits as well is that you actually reduce triglyceride count. So again, seeing some improvements there. The third thing that I think is absolutely amazing, and this is huge for not only anti-aging and gaining muscle, which again, the more muscle you gain, the easier you burn fat. One study showed that a 1,300% increase in growth hormone production. So a growth hormone production, your growth hormone is an anti-aging hormone. It's amazing for, again, building muscle, burning fat, but in both men and women, it's an anti-aging hormone. And so we produce less as we age. So being able to tap into that as we fast is an absolutely huge deal. So again, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is going to help you build a new, healthy, amazing brain. things like clearing out the liver and the gallbladder, which again is going to upregulate your immune system and upregulate the way that you actually break down your nutrients in your food and assimilate those and use those and turn those into living tissue in your post-feeding time. And then number 3, again, making sure making sure as you're fasting to remember that you are getting a 1,300% rise in your growth hormone, your anti-aging hormone. So 3 things that happen when you block fast. So those of you that are doing your block fast right now, just remember, these are the things that are starting to happen in the body, and it's totally worth it. It's absolutely amazing. So keep it up. If you haven't ever fasted before, guys, you can choose a time to start. And again, you can start wherever you want. Maybe it's a intermittent fasting, maybe it's a 24-hour fast, maybe it's a 3-day water fast, maybe it's a 5-day. Start wherever you feel comfortable. But understand that when you fast, the body does amazing, profound things. So again, keep it up. Hope that helped you guys, and I can't wait to see you soon.